So children, now we are going to discuss about ketones. Please mute your audios, children. Ketones. Ketones general formula is C double bond O. Ketones general formula is CO. Ketones general formula is CO, and suffix is ons. Suffix is on. Okay, on. Suffix is on. Don't say one, children. It is on. Okay, children. And remember, children, ketone always comes in the middle of the chain. Ketones always comes in the middle of the chain. You will get doubt. Why, sir? If it comes in the corner, what happens? If it comes in the corner, what happens? You see, children. If it is coming in the middle of the chain, it is called CO. Try to understand. If it is coming in the corner of the chain, try to understand. Try to understand. If it is coming in the corner of the chain, I'll put here O. Okay, and here to satisfy our tetravalence, I'll put one hydrogen. It will become CHO. CHO is aldehyde, no children. CHO is aldehyde. Try to understand. If CO comes in the middle, it is ketone. If CO comes in the end, it will become aldehyde. So compulsory ketones comes in the middle only. So common sense, children. If it has to come in the middle means think minimum 3 carbons must be present, because if 1 carbon is there, you can't write. Okay. If 2 carbons are there also, it comes in the corner. Minimum 3 carbons if it is there only. Minimum 3 carbons are there only. Then our ketone starts coming in the middle. Minimum 3 carbons. That's why methanol, ethanol are not possible. Why? Because ketone should always come in the middle. If it comes in the corner, it becomes aldehyde. Okay. So basic ketone is propanone. Basic ketone is what, children? Propanone. First ketone is propanone. Why? Because to come in the middle, minimum 3 carbons are needed. Common sense. Okay. One bond is over, 3 more bonds. One bond is over, 3 more bonds. Satisfy with hydrogen. This is propanone. Now, what is the formula of propanone? CH3CO CH3. Okay, and the common name of propanone is acetone. Anyone of you know where acetone is used? Anyone of you know where acetone is used?
Nail polish removers.
Nail polish remover.
Yeah,
Nail
nail
polish
polish
remover.
remover. In nail polish remover, propanone is used acetone. Okay, so CH3CO. Now, dot structure as usual every time. Name, formula, normal, dot. Carbons will put cross. Carbons will put cross. Okay. Other elements will put dots. Other elements will put dots. Hydrogen get what stability? Helium. Hydrogen, helium, hydrogen, helium, hydrogen, helium, hydrogen, helium, hydrogen, helium. Oxygen, neon, carbon, neon, carbon, neon, carbon, neon. CH3CO, CH3 is your propanone. Basic compound propanone. Okay, children. After propanone, butanone. From here, small confusion will start, children. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll get confusion. Sir, we should keep here or here. Your wish. Anywhere you can keep, children. No problem with it. Either here you can keep or here you can keep. But here, if you keep one formula, here if you keep one formula will come. Please slowly see. Don't get confused. Okay. Try to see. Here, if I put children, here if I put satisfy tetravalency, hydrogens, hydrogens, hydrogens. What is the formula? What is the formula? Anyone? What is the formula? CH3, CO, C2, H5. This is like this. No, sir, I want to keep here. If someone says, yes, you can keep somewhere in the middle, not on the corners. Then satisfy tetravalency. Hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. What will be the formula, children? C2H5. What is the formula? C2H5, CO, CH3. Okay, children. This is also butanone. This is also butanone. But position of double bond is changing. Position of double bond is changing. Okay, children. It's not so serious. Butanone is not so serious. Okay, problem starts, but not so serious. Pentanone still more problem will come. Children. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. So butanone, if so, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, if you keep, this is the formula. Here, if you keep, this is the formula. Formula same. Structures are different. They are called isomers. More isomers, I will say. Okay, I hope everyone understood this one. Okay, suppose only one we will study, any one we will study. Then dot structure for this dot structure. Please check, children. You should not get confusion, children. There is absolutely nothing to confuse children. There is nothing to confuse children. Just you have to understand clearly. That's all. Okay, okay, one oxygen. Please see here all of you. Concentrate hydrogen, get helium, hydrogen, helium, hydrogen, helium, hydrogen, helium, hydrogen, helium, hydrogen, helium, helium, hydrogen, helium, oxygen, neon, carbon, neon, carbon, neon, carbon, neon, carbon, neon, like this. Okay, this is butanol. This is butanol. Okay, children. I hope you understood. Now, one more. One. Pentanol. No problems with structure. I'm removing this also, children. I'm removing this also. Hope you all understood. Later you can see the video if you want. Now pentanol, children. Pentanol. Penta means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, children. If I keep here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is called 2-pentanol. It is called what? 2-pentanol. Why, children? Because on second carbon double bond oxygen. Okay. No, I will keep here, sir. You may say yes. Keep, children. You are wishing. No problem. But if I keep here, then it is called 3-pentanol. 3-pentanol. Try to understand, children. You should understand. Clearly, you should understand. No confusion at all. Okay. Now 2-pentanol, 3-pentanol. Okay. Someone will come and say like this. What is that? They will say means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, I will keep here 4-pentanol, sir. They will say. No, children. According to International Union of Pure and Applied Chemists, wherever double bond is there, from there only numbering will start. Now this is 2-pentanol again. Okay, like that. What, sir? You will not understand. I will explain in detail later, children. I will explain in detail. Just listen. Try to understand. Okay. Later I'll explain. This is from here also 2-pentanol. From here also 2-pentanol. So 4-pentanol is not possible here. Okay, why not possible here? I will say later. First you listen. 2-pentanol, 3-pentanol. Okay, children. 2-pentanol and 3-pentanol. Now, what is the formula here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please, children, you should not get confusion at all. Okay, so what is the formula? CH3CO C3 C3 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C3H7. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please see here, children. What is the formula here? Hydrogen, hydrogen. Please. Should not get any confusion, children. Nothing is there to confuse, in fact. Okay, C2H5 CO C2H5 C2H5. Okay, slowly you see, children. 3 carbon. How many carbons are there? 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons are there. How many hydrogens are there, children? 10 hydrogens are there. 7+. How many oxygen? 1 is there. What is that, sir? You may ask. That is called empirical formula, children. Joining all and writing empirical, which you should not write like that here only, but this is called empirical formula. Again, here also you write empirical formula. How many carbons? 2 plus 1 plus 2. How much, children? C5, H10. Oh, formulas are same. Positions are different. Such compounds are called positional isomers. What they are called? Positional isomers. What they are called? Positional isomers. Formulas are same. Positions of double bond is different. Formulas are same. Position of double bond is different. They are called positional isomers. What is an isomer? Same formula, different structure it may be, different position it may be, different function group it may be. Same formula, different structure it may be, different position it may be, different function group it may be. They have different position. They are called positional isomers. Glucose and fructose, functional isomers. Structural isomers, I will say later. Okay, children. I hope you are getting a lot of confusion. I know. Don't worry, children. One more I will explain. Don't worry. Okay. Don't say, sir, explaining one more, you will confuse us so much. No, children, you have to do. There's no other alternate. This is only basics. In intermediate, you will have so much more than this. Okay, children. Here, if I keep, can anyone tell what is the name of this compound? Anyone, children?
2-hexanol.
2-hexanol.
2-hexanol. 1, 2, 3. No, Can anyone say name of this compound, children?
3-hexanone.
3-hexanone.
Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can anyone say name of this compound?
4-hexanone.
3-hexanone.
3 only.
3-hexanone.
Again, it will come 3-hexanone only. So it is not possible. 4 won't come here. Here also 4 won't come. Now mute your audios. Okay, children. So wherever double bond is near, from there we should start numbering. If double bond is here, start numbering from here. Wherever double bond is near, start numbering from that side. Is it for only ketones? No, for everything. Wherever functional group is near, start from that side numbering of carbons. Okay, children. Slowly, I'm teaching children. Actually, ketones naming is not there in your textbook only. Then why are you teaching us, sir? You may ask. Children, I told you millions of times. My teaching and my discussions are not meant for your exams or your marks. I want you to improve your knowledge. Okay, so listen, children. Listen, don't get confused at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So CH3, CO. Please mute your audios. 1, 2, 3, 4. C4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. C4, H9. And what is the formula for this? Anyone wants to say, children? 4, 5. Anyone wants to say what is the formula for this? C2.
C2.
5 CO C3H7.
Only Sahiti is telling. Very good. So now empirical formula. How many carbons are there? 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons are there. How many hydrogens are there? 12 hydrogens. 1.
12.
Here also same, children. How many carbons? 3, 4, 5.
6.
How many hydrogens? 12 and 1 oxygen. Same empirical formula, different positions. Same empirical formula. Mute your audios. Same empirical formula, different.
Sir, at 6 you wrote 5.
Yeah. Same empirical formula, different positions. Such type of isomers are called positional isomers. This is 2-hexanone, this is 3-hexanone. Okay, children. Empirical formula, how to write? Just condense it and write it. Just condense it and write it. Nothing else. Okay. I hope you are copying. If you didn't copy it later, you see the video and copy it. One more, children. One more. I want to say. I just want to make you practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, children. Now, please tell me the name of this compound, children. What is the name of this compound, anyone?
Decanone.
2-decanone. You should say correctly, children. What is the name of this compound? Say.
2-decanone.
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 2-decanone. Okay, children. Very good. 2-decanone. Now, what is the name of this?
3-decanone.
3-decanone. Very good. What is the name of this?
4-decanone.
4-decanone.
Very good. 4-decanone. 4-decanone. Okay, 4-decanone. What is the name of this?
5-decanone.
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 5-decanone. Very good. What is the name of this?
6-decanone.
4-decanone.
5-decanone. 1,
4-decanone.
2, 3,
5-decanone.
4. 5-decanone again. What is the name of this?
4-decanone.
Decanone.
What is the name of this?
3-decanone.
Name of this?
2-decanone.
Decanone.
Very good. Name of this?
Decanone.
Not possible, right? I told you in the beginning of class, ketones are not possible at the end, and you forgot everything and you are saying 1-decanone. What is this, children? Double bond is not, ketone is not possible in the middle. I told you in the starting of the class only. Ketone should come in the middle only. From here to here only. If it comes in the corner, ketone will become
Aldehyde.
Aldehyde.
Ketone will become aldehyde. Ketone will become aldehyde.
Aldehyde.
Please, children, you should understand all these things. They won't say in your schools all these things, children. That much strength, that much opika, patience, we will not be having, children, in schools to say all these things. Okay, so I hope isomerism you understood, children. Isomerism you understood. So practice ketones, children. How much you practice ketones, that much you get, children. But basic, remember, in board exam they're asking. A regular question. What is the simplest ketone? He's asking in board exam. What is the simplest ketone? What is simplest ketone?
Propanone.
Propanone.
Propanone. What is its formula? CH3CO CH3. Draw its normal and dot structure. This is board exam question, 3 marks in board exam. In board exam, they're asking 3 marks. What is simplest ketone? 1 mark, propanone. Write its formula, CH3CO CH3. Normal structure is this. Okay, dot structure, you know how to draw. Dot structure, you know it, no? You like that dot structure. And for this, it will carry 1 mark. Or sometimes they will give this half mark, this half mark, 1 mark for dot structure and normal structure. Like that. It depends, children. So basic ketone is propanone. Don't say methanol, ethanol. Methanol, ethanol is not possible because ketone should come in the
Middle.
middle. Ketone should always come in the middle. Ketone should always come in the middle, and that is how ketones are formed. Okay, children. When I am saying isomerism, again I discuss another compounds. So by this I am putting ketones, and you try to practice, children. If you practice, you will understand. If you don't practice, you will never understand. You have to see again and again my video, and my video, if you see, only my views will increase, but your knowledge will not increase. So please practice. You have to practice. See the video, practice. See the video and practice. If you practice up to decanone, you will become champions in the ketones. And I'm telling, in your NCERT textbook, this is not present. This is present in intermediate only, naming. But if you don't know naming, basic things, you'll really face difficult, children, in the future. Okay, children, thank you so much. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now.